Lifeless bodies of 13 Meiteis killed by Kuki terrorists at 𝐶𝐸𝐻 village in 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂 district brought to Jennings morgue. Identified. 13 Meiteis captured, tortured, executed, not killed in ambush, will avenge brother's death, vows sister of late Rocky. And last rites of 13 slain Meiteis to be performed at Andro Torongthel. Hello Kurumjeri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. Lifeless bodies of 13 Meiteis who were brutally tortured and killed by Kuki militants at 𝐶𝐸𝐻 Kuki village near Saibol village under Machi police station in 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄 district yesterday morning have been brought to Jennings morgue last night. The slain Meiteis have been identified. They are 𝐁𝐫𝐲𝐚 Tomba, 24, son of late 𝐁𝐫𝐴 Meitei of 𝐂𝐫𝐵 Salam Konjing Part 2, 𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻 Rocky, 25, son of TH Tomba of Torbung Bazar Mamang, Maisnam Sana Jalba, 22, son of M. Shyam Kumar of 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐂 Laikai, Moirangthem Kingston, 39, son of late M. King Kong of Kurai Putiba Laikai, Oinam Loken, 43, son of late O. Shyam Kishore of Sagolban Nepra Menjor Laikai, Mayengbam Roshan, 25, son of M. Thoiba of Wangbal Lamboytong Konjengbam Medhabanta, 47, son of late 𝐾𝐵𝐸 Chandra of Sagolban Nepra Menjor Mamang Laikai, Panjobam Noren, 17, son of PH Dharmachandra of Andro Torongthel, Chingakham Nithai alias Roshan, 17, son of CH Surchandra of Andro Torongthel, 𝐶𝐲𝐸𝐯𝐚 Krishnakanta, 20, son of S. Surchan of Kakching Turel Wangma, Ningthau Pareng, Chongtham Chingu alias Ibungo, 23, son of CH Manihar of Sabungkok Kuno Awang Laikai, Yendrambam Athoba alias Naucha, son of Yendrambam Ongbi Tampa Mani of More Premnagar Ward number 4, and Putham Ajay Meitei, son of P. Aton Meitei of Andro Kuno Torongthel. Meanwhile, a meeting of the family members and people of the state has resolved to perform the last rites of the deceased together at a place in Andro. For the purpose, Andro Torongthel Village Authority has reportedly provided around 1 acre of land. As the post-mortem of the deceased has been completed at Jennings morgue, arrangements are currently being made to take the mortal remains of the 13 martyrs in 13 different vehicles from Jennings to Andro. People across the valley stood along the roads offering candle lights and floral tribute to the martyrs as their mortal remains were brought by a team of Manipur police to Jennings morgue last night. Among the deceased, some were internally displaced persons taking shelter at relief camps. Speaking to Northeast Window News, younger sister of late 𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻 Rocky of Torbung Bazar Mamang said the 13 Meiteis were not killed in an ambush but were captured, tortured and brutally executed by the Kuki militants. The anguished sister also vowed to avenge the murder of her elder brother.
Tamo khani ima thadoki khoi ma do hojing blood cancer na ma blood cancer patient ne ba hawrpo numita ahum du jo khoi tamo khani do akhuma da khoirama ga ima lan chatlu gi ha ga dum mayam gi pa me khoi tamo du su mayam gi thok pa me do khoi ai kape ba kape khalle ado leba ki ne mayam gi ne ai kem khandre akhoi tamo gi laman de so en singbadi ai laman singba yaw ga ni man moina chumna lan chapada khoi tamo do nong mai kap na raga legi da ba natte ba moina Haraga Pubiraga or people never my to Roina Kausandiraga, Loikopo, I am the Batasa Sabuzun, wait, don't pull it, and hungry the Mogi Zakin, Masapane, do a city Mogi, Asivak Sanku, Sapo, Commanium, the Asivak Sanku, do you know, Comana, Hospital, Tumle, Havala Potorian, Tamodi Hakan, I come do no I come away, I worry, my am Guinea, Katopo, Kem Dugali, Horiba, Ibumi Bami, I'm now quite a way, like it, Ibumi, I'm the Gilaman Kum, Madame. Kumbaya ko ni bangwe mi ami naman kumbaya para sa lamda de san mama nang ko ni ay man ne mama na kumbaya tamonya tolak pala quarter kaya mga quarter aktiva to kamana masiliw ni bimay mo hamdema
Koi ngasian imung manung na yana raga government na thaba am pirage paisa pirage la adu pirage aga loisan giba taraga di mai magi marnai oidana ngasi noi gi na sa sini hayeng ai sa sini hayeng na amagi ma sa sini ai khoi gi generation je mai te heba purup se pumuk mut kaneba ado ita di akoi apun ma tar ko raga akoi gi generation je mut na bagi da makta ai khoi na kari thabak pai khat kani habdo apun oina khamin na raga amato oina sa se na han de gi akoi na mayam je pulle hare government ju shanti hare leire adu ngasi bokta di shanti gi aing ma su phangde apun bagi miyeng su phangdrieba adu ita de koi siba loi lora kan pulak toiraba haji tara hom de hen ba kaya sirak de koi hai ngamdri adu ita de amuana masigi makha ta bi sidna bi namta akoi me apun no na haji imung manung gi mi pun loi topiro mai magi sain tawbiro soi tor matung ya akoi se mayangi akoi gi apun bagi manipur pun bagi organization habdi luk khudi mo loi pun liko seida kana agem bolaite akoi seida mitai dangi sunate habdi jati furup kunsa mari tari basigi apun bagi wariyapna akoi gi wariyap boraga thabak se tamuina jena khalle
Santi lele ay pawai ay binagano ay kiisa sibagi di ay kaparoy magumba matawna lay ba kaya sa karabane ay kiisa kagtane iramtam siya buktakan biyo tabiyo saragarna Santi lele ay bingano ko ay kiisa sulaw siyaroy mayam nagkatungle ay di maki kanatraba po di na kay daw no ay ngonda ay pangde ay isa na maribaki kat do ay amarawi mama ay sukat kani isa kita mata ay sukat pa nga may ilay pa kita mata saragara na magtatabiyo santi lady ay bigano santi lady ay bigano peace lady ay bigano kaday no peace saragar tabiyo ang amataw tabiyo.
There has been no respite from frequent offensive by 𝐾𝐄𝐲 militants on Meitei villages. Yesterday too, not long after the 13th Meiteis were tortured and murdered by 𝐾𝐄 militants in Tengnopal district, 𝐾𝐄𝐲 fired several bullet rounds from 𝐶𝐲𝐻𝐻 in Churachandpur district towards Naransena in Bishnupur district, terrorizing the villages. The 𝐾𝐄 militants too launched attack at Phubala from Phubala Chingphai hill range. The Manipur State Cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister N. Biren, has approved the much-debated liquor legalization yesterday. Relevant gadget notification will be published on December 6. The State Cabinet had 36 agendas, including approval of the Manipur Excise Amendment Rules 2023 for legalizing export, sale, and production of liquors. The upcoming Gazette notification will have detailed rules and regulations for the legalization of liquor. It may be mentioned that the State Cabinet on September 20 last year had also approved legalization of liquor while emphasizing the need for regulating liquor production to prevent consumption of spurious liquor. Consequently, the government had also conducted a detailed study of the contents of the different sources of liquors produced in the state by inviting experts from Scotland and Ireland. The government is expecting around 600 crore rupees revenue from the legalization. Manipur was declared a dry state in 1991 after the enactment of the Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1991. Alumni Group of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Sandumbam Achauba Umaital Kakching District has transferred 65,000 rupees to personal account of Sagosem Ongbi Premlata, who is currently battling womb cancer, to help with her medical treatment. Alumnus of JNV Umatel 12th batch Premlata, wife of Sarat of Wangjing Wangkai, is currently undergoing treatment at Tata Cancer Hospital, Kolkata. Publicity Secretary of the Alumni Group, Roshan Moirangtham, said that upon hearing the news of Premlata, members of the group chipped in to provide possible help to Premlata in getting the medical treatment. Roshan said the members of Alumni Group have been extending help to unfortunate members of the group and will continue to do so in future too. Laishram Khamba Gambhini and their family members of 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐻 Lekai presented blankets to internally displaced persons of 72 families taking shelter at relief camp opened at Rice Research Station located at Wangbal, 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐻 today. Speaking on the occasion, daughter of Khamba, Laishram Gaya, said the blankets were presented to alleviate the hardship of the IDPs during this cold winter at an extent. She also urged people of the state and the government to extend help to the IDPs. Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, 𝐂𝐸𝐻 School. Excellence in Education.
Diabetes ko loy na hingliba sing thamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile sabadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu thamagi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oy ba hidak makalna laying jabani. Hakchang na sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathaw su tararoy. Hena kupaparol gidamak ngasimak langsin birao Diabetes Hospital Soibam Lekai Ayampali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompan Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Now the national news. The third Meghalaya Farmers Parliament was held yesterday at State Convention Centre, Shillong on the occasion of Farmers' Day. The conference was inaugurated by the Chief Minister 𝐶𝐸𝐻 𝐸𝐸 in the presence of Minister Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck and Minister Agriculture and Farmers Welfare M. Apparent Lingdo, among others. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister 𝐶𝐸𝐻 𝐸𝐸 said that the Farmers' Parliament is an important program to celebrate and recognize the work of the farmers. This parliament is to acknowledge their work and support them and to send across a message that the government is there with them so that they can improve their livelihood in the farming sector, he said. He added that the farmers were already engaged in many farming activities and only a bit of support in terms of storage, transportation, financial aid and policies were needed to make farming remunerative and attractive. The Chief Minister added that the Regeneration Meghalaya program, an agroforestry project that he had launched earlier, was just a part of a larger goal and objective. He also said that it is important to face and address the challenges that are there in the farming sector. He hoped that the 2 days conference will provide a platform to the farmers to discuss issues, adopt better farming practices, incorporating traditional practices, share success stories to boost farmers' productivity while promoting sustainable agriculture. The Chief Minister also distributed checks to Focus and PES beneficiaries and to the beneficiaries under the Pilgrim Mission. As a part of the Meghalaya Farmers' Day, 11 processing facilities and 4 cold storage facilities were remotely inaugurated by the Chief Minister.
As a government, we have always believed in ensuring that we don't look at schemes anymore. I am very much against our officials and our ministers who focus on schemes, because that narrows down our vision and our purpose. It is not about implementing the scheme, but it is about the result that the scheme is going to give us. And it is very important as political leaders and as government and officials to keep our eye on the objective, not on the scheme that we are trying to do. Government of Meghalaya is doing different programs through different departments in similar lines. So we just have to collaborate now and really work together.
Severe cyclonic storm Mong began its landfall process between Nellore and Kavali in Andhra Pradesh, becoming the first cyclone system to cross the coast in 2 years after Cyclone 𝐾𝐲 in September 2021. Mong's wind speed is anticipated to reach severe cyclonic levels, with a maximum sustained speed of 90 to 100 km per hour, gusting to 110 km per hour. Meanwhile, at least 8 people have died in rain-related incidents in Chennai so far, as heavy rain triggered by the cyclone pounded the city, leaving large parts of it submerged. Yesterday, an orange alert was sounded by the IMD for Andhra Pradesh and adjoining North Tamil Nadu Puducherry coast as the cyclone approached the South Andhra coast. Several areas of Chennai and its neighboring districts were inundated due to relentless rains, and transport and air carrier services took a severe hit. Nearly 900 people residing in villages along the southern coast of Andhra Pradesh have been evacuated to safety, and 21 cyclone shelters have been set up in Patla district, said District Superintendent of Police Vakul Jindal, a news agency reported. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has directed the officials to treat the storm as a major challenge to avoid loss of life and property. He said that special officers have been appointed for all cyclone-affected districts, besides releasing 2 crore rupees each for rescue and relief work. People from low-lying areas have been evacuated and over 200 relief camps have been set up to accommodate them. Union Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to the Chief Ministers of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry yesterday and assured them all necessary help from the centre. The Congress has deferred the meeting of its India bloc allies called by party President Mallikarjun Kharge tomorrow after several leaders said they plan to skip it. A meeting of the India allies will be rescheduled to the 3rd week of December at a date convenient to all, the Congress party said. However, floor leaders of the opposition parties are set to meet at Kharge's residence tomorrow, with the winter session of Parliament underway till December 22. Trinamool Congress Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee yesterday had expressed her unavailability to attend the meeting, saying that she will be visiting North Bengal from December 6 to December 11. With Tamil Nadu recovering from the heavy rainfall brought in by Cyclone Mong that left several parts of the state submerged, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin too would have been unable to attend the meeting. Meanwhile, JDU President and Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is unwell. Sources had said Samajwadi Party and Chief Akhilesh Yadav too would be unable to attend the meeting. In Jammu and Kashmir, the National Investigation Agency today conducted raids at 8 locations in connection with a terror funding case. The raids were conducted in close coordination with J&K Police and Central Armed Police Forces at 7 locations in Kashmir and 1 in Jammu. The sleuths of the premier agency are carrying out these raids at Sofian and Baramulla, among other areas. The places searched included the residences and other hideouts of the suspects linked to the case. The raids were conducted days after the central agency arrested an accused in the Pakistan-backed terrorism case involving the delivery of weapons through drones to militants active in Kashmir. The agency had shared the input on November 29 after a team from the NIA Jammu branch nabbed 22-year-old Zakir Hussain of Kathua district on November 27. He was the 8th accused to be arrested in the case registered by the NIA on July 30 last year, after taking over the case from Kathua police. The NIA is continuing with its investigations in the matter to unravel the bigger conspiracy of Pakistan-backed terrorist groups to carry out acts of terror and violence in the Kashmir Valley and across India. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Lifeless bodies of 13 Meiteis killed by Kuki terrorists at Leithao village in Tengnopal districts brought to Jennings morgue identified. 13 Meteis captured, tortured, executed, not killed in ambush, will avenge brother's death, vows sister of late Rocky. And last rites of 13 slain Meteis to be performed at Andro Torongthel. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.